We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello dear friends, myself is Roshni Parikh and today we are going to learn about the parallel connection of resistor. Now before start to derive the equivalent resistance equation for the parallel connection, you should know what is a parallel connection. Parallel connection means when one end of all the elements are connected together and make a one terminal. Same way all the other ends of the elements are connected together and make the another terminal. That is the parallel connection. See here, 3 resistances are there, means a 3 resistor having a value of a R1 ohm, R2 ohm and R3 ohm are required to be connected in a parallel. So what will be the connection? So see, one end of all the 3 resistors are connected together and make the one terminal. Same way all the other ends of the 3 resistors are connected together and take out the another terminal, that is the parallel connection. Now these parallel connections of the resistors are connected across the supplied having a voltage V volt. Now we start to derive the equation equivalent resistance. Now in a parallel connection, remember one thing, voltage remains the same. Means what? Okay, voltage across the all the elements which are connected in a parallel, that is the same, but the current is a difference. Current means what? Okay, when these 3 resistances are connected in a parallel and this parallel connection is connected across the supply, at that time what will happen? Okay, current I starts to flow. Now that total current I is divided into the 3 branches, means current is divided in the numbers of branches and that branches are depend on the numbers of the element. See here, 3 resistors are connected in a parallel, so 3 branches are there, so current is divided into the 3 branches. So I is equal to what? Total current I is equal to algebraic sum of all the 3 branch current, that is the I1, I2 and I3, and the value of the branch current is depend on the value of the resistance. Because see here, in a parallel connection voltage that is the same, means voltage across all the elements are there are the same. Voltage across the R1 that is also V, voltage across the R2 that is also V, and voltage across the R3 that is also a V. So voltage is the same, so our total current I is equal to algebraic sum of all the branch current. So I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now substitute the value of a I regarding the Ohm's law. Now Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So what is the I? I is equal to V by R. So I is equal to V by R. Same way, what is the I1? I1 is equal to current flowing through the R1. Now I1 is equal to what? V upon R1. Now V means what? Voltage across the R1, as it is in a parallel connection, voltage is the same. So V. Same way, what is the R2? What is the I2? I2 is equal to V upon R2, and what is the I3? V upon R3. Now take the V as a common and V cancel out. So finally you will get 1 upon R, that is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Means what? Equivalent resistance in a parallel connection, the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance, that is equal to algebraic sum of reciprocal of all the resistances connected in a parallel. So in a parallel connection, if I say n numbers of resistances are connected in a parallel, then our equivalent resistance, reciprocal of equivalent resistance, that is equal to algebraic sum of reciprocal of equivalent resistances means 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 plus dash dash dash.